winter expansion ship owner 419. We did some use Cuban crew in the past, whereby we had these enlistment contracts in euros and dollars, and then the governments used to pay the crew the local currency, which is not really legal. And then now it seems that it is possible to have this discounted income tax, thereby they have this 20-15% in the currency of the enlistment contract. That's legal today, so it is one option. Then we also have other options, like we made this attorneys control of these working hours and so on, which in some cases it could be used, because if this big volume of crew joining, disembarking, could be for the offshore, for the tug, for the ferries, for many other different types of ships, and also, why not, because compliance MLC. Now, this Candina generates barriers in the winter expansions because some owners go to English, which is 26% more expensive. Well, if we top it up with this language, then of course we have to pay more. But then a lot of ship owners are flying away from the Spanish flag. Why? Because they don't have enough database. If they did contact Candina, then they could defend the Spanish flag and the Spanish employment, ESG. Why not think about LNG, about the container, about the raw packs? Also tugs, supply ships, those ships around Spain, think about it, because it could be a huge competitive advantage to generate barriers. But then again, we have huge issues with the eastern side, the cruise, that is also generating in Candina huge expansion, because who is going to substitute about 25% officers from the Eastern European countries? Who? How fast? Then, if you have this issue now, dear ship owner, contact me, because we have always the solution for the long-term plan. How many times before we did solve LNG with the Spanish flag, long-term contracts, 25 years, talent retention and cost inflation? And then how about these tax issues we have today and so on? So please contact us for this huge expansion we are having today. Why? Because the officers is the area that we are now playing around. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for your time.